pick up women exclusive sneakers. I leave it for the women. But these was too fire. Yes, sir. What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to do a full in-depth 4K review on the Dunk on Mars women exclusive Jordan 5s. Now, I used to be a big fan of Jordan 5s. I even still got Lanny 5s. And I only wore them once, guys. I got to start wearing them before they yellow out. But yeah, 5s always been fire to me. But when Virgil put these together, I said to myself, I'm not buying another pair of 5s in my life. I'm set. White, yellowish, black, reddish, gray. I'm good. But after seeing these pictures of these Dunk on Mars Jordan 5s, I said I gotta at least get them in hand, man. The burgundy, orange, red mesh up, volcano look. I just had to see him, guys. And by the way, R.I.P. to Virgil. I try to do that every video. R.I.P. Virgil. I should have said that when I had the off-whites in hand. But I'm just so hyped to get to this review of the latest Jordan 5s. I know a lot of y'all new to the channel. I salute you. Hope you stay. Thanks for coming. But when I first started, I used to do this segment called What's on Foot. And that's where I take like 15 seconds out the video and show y'all what I got on foot. And give y'all a chance to go in the comment section below and let me know what y'all got on foot while y'all watching the video. It could be clogs, Crocs, slippers, slides. Ain't gotta be nothing hype. But today I got on the Jordan 1 Top 3s. And this used to be my favorite pair of Jordan 1s. I went at least a year and a half without wearing them. And the other day when I was cleaning up, man, I seen them. They were getting glitter all on them. You know when you don't wear your Jordan 1s for a long time, they get glitter on them. So I said I had to put them on. So today on foot, I got on the Jordan 1 True Blues. In that comment section below, let me know what you got on foot whenever you catch this video. Now back to the Mars. Yes, sir. The only thing scared me about this sneaker was no Nike Air on the back and the price tag. The $200 price tag kind of scared me. But getting them in hand, the material's all right, man. So you know we don't do a lot of talking here on this channel. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, in like Jordan brand, whenever you see a Jordan 5, you're going to get this box. Only time it ever changed is with the off-white joints. You always going to get this slightly wider Jordan 5 box. Elephant print or paint sparkles on the bottom. And it reads, women's, see, women's Air Jordan 5 Retro, Martian Sunrise, Black Fire Red. I seen Martian Sunrise before. I want to say it was on the Crimsons, but I remember seeing that colorway. And of course I got a size 12 because I'm a 10 and a half. Open the lid, regular tissue paper. Nothing's changed, nothing extra. Let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Dunk on Mars women's Jordan 5. Now, off the bat, guys, I can't, it's going to be hard for me to stay still on this sneaker. The first thing I love is the vintage look. It looks like it's yellowing already. And I think that's by color scheme, not by like what Virgil was trying to do with his version of multiple Jordans. I think it's color scheme. It's made to look like a sunrise, Mars, the planets, you know. So, off the bat, the ice button. That's what we call it in Brooklyn. Y'all let me know what y'all call it where y'all from. It's vintage already, guys. It's yellow already, or orange, whatever way you want to go with that color. Look at the bottom. It's already vintage, guys. It's not clear, it's not translucent, it's not icy. It's already yellow to be vintage. I love that look. Let's get closer in here now. 23 right here, classic staple. I love when they put 23 on the Jordan 5. You see the window here. I forgot what we used to call this thing here, but it's already oranged and yellow, guys. Super dope look. The black hits on the vintage make this sneaker look fire. I'm telling you, if this was a collab, guys, we'd be telling a different tune. Like, if these were the Khaled's, it would be super crazy. They still kept it OG on the tongue. You get your reflected, metallic, silver tongue, black Jordan man there. I would have rather him be red like an OG, but I get it. These black hits, like, look at the shoe, the shoelace eyelids. That black brings this sneaker out crazy. But now let's focus on the overall shoe, the nubuck. Y'all hear that? Soft nubuck. It almost looks like the Jordan 6 Travis Scott khaki. It's just not that high a braised. It is a little more up here, higher braised. But far as the toe is settled. It's right there, man. It feels like you're just rubbing a cat, man. I'm telling you. Again, the black makes this sneaker 1000% better. Right here, I want to focus in on this. You see the triangle here, silhouette? Look how it goes from like orange, dark red to like a light peach, yellow, orange. Super dope, man. And on the, you know, the silhouette of the Jordan 5, we like to call this the fire or the fighter jet design there. But look how it looks like a fire is just happening right now, like a cartoon fire. This sneaker, man, I'm telling y'all, it's slept on. People is sitting in stores, and I don't know why. But now, like I give y'all the good, I got to give y'all my bad. The Jordan Jumpman here. I understand why Jordan does this. This is not an OG sneaker. I get it, guys. But when you put Nike Air on the back of a 3, a 5, a 4, it just takes a sneaker to a different price tag, to a different area of sneaker mortality, man. The Jordan Jumpman, I get it. I like it. But if it was a Nike Air here, man, and that sunrise colorway, oh, this would have been crazy, man. It comes laced in the same color as the sneaker shoelaces. You don't get extra shoelaces, and that's my gripe with the Jordan 5 price tag nowadays. I mean, you do get the ice bubble, so it kind of really settles out. The tongue has that upside down Air Jordan look that happened to starting to be a staple now. I think it started with the first original white Jordan 5 restock, or maybe even the Fresh Princes. But yeah, that's also on the back of the tongue. This is the left shoe here. Nothing's changed so far with the left shoe. Everything's the same. I really like this 23 on the side, guys. I really like this. We could talk about the air bubble in there. That's not vintage. That's a clear, translucent air bubble. But everything else on the sneaker is a yellowish, crimson, volcano look. The bottom, you see it, guys? It looks vintage already, man. Super dope. And this black color blocking scheme is dope. Large Jordan man on the back. I mean, like, even if this Jordan man was red, like this one, might have made the sneaker a little more crazy to me. Yeah, man, ain't too many Jordan 5s touching this one, dog. I'm telling you. Yes, sir. So this is a quick 4K review on the Dunk on Mars Jordan 5 women exclusive. I haven't read too much research about the sneaker because it's new, but I think this Dunk on Mars is a play on Spike Lee. As y'all remember Spike Lee's character in the Jordan commercials, I think his name was even Mars. If I can remember, I'm not that old, guys. I remember seeing the commercials, but I think so, man, because his name was Mars. Yeah, it might be. That was around the Space Jam time. Mars, Space Jam. We probably put it together, guys. But like I told you, I paid $200 for this sneaker. I don't know if that was with tax. I think I paid $205 or two something straight from the sneakers app. I knew it was a chance these sneakers sat, not only because they are women exclusive, but they came out with the Jordan 1 True Blues too. And y'all sleeping on them Jordan 1 True Blues. Man, look, they still sitting in most stores, man. But I couldn't tell you why. A1 quality, no glue stains. I don't know why, guys. I think if the grain of blue was interchanged, maybe it'd be a more popular shoe, man. Yeah, I doubled up. I may triple up. Let Soul Links or J23 link me a restock today, and I might triple up. I like that sneaker, guys. I really do. But I like these too. I probably like these better. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. Why you think sneakers are not selling out no more. I think Nike fixed it by making more stock, trying to cancel the resellers, but who knows, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.